Welcome to LVTRV, Alaska Tour number 6, heading to Blaine, Washington State. Squish, Washington. It was our first day, sunny day, so a good day to travel. The Diamond Point RV Resort overall was a very nice place. The bathrooms were separate from the showers, very clean. Gravel level sites. Starlink worked fantastic, and I definitely would come back. As we leave at two-way traffic, we hop on Highway 101 and Highway 3. This is the Hood Canal floating bridge. As we head over to some of the islands to get to Tacoma. It was a beautiful morning, a little cloudy, but not a ripple on that water out there. Just a beautiful day to travel. And we took this Highway 3 down from Olympia Peninsula. It's actually a very nice road. Once you get past this exit here, don't remember what it was, it's all 4-lane road. We came up Highway 101 to Olympia Peninsula to see, and it's all two-way traffic in some areas and slow going. Well, I don't go fast with the RV anyway, but you know. So here's all 4 lanes all the way to Tacoma. And we get to Tacoma Bridge, Narrows, and look, that's a toll. We had to pay a toll. It was $11. Pay the toll. Luckily, there's something there to get the money. Nowadays, everything's so digital. But yeah, we made it through. We have 4 axles, so it costs a little bit more. And we got to go over the Tacoma Narrow Bridge to hit the town of Tacoma. From Highway 3 here, going across the Tacoma Narrow Bridge, we end up going to hit Interstate 5 to head through Seattle to make it to Blaine, Washington. Beautiful river, the Sounds, I guess they're called. Again, cost us $11 to go a mile and a half over a bridge. And this is another view. My hands are on the steering wheel, don't worry, my hands are still on the steering wheel. I'm using the GoPro. And we made it to Sun River RV Park, or Sun Retreat, excuse me, Birch Bay RV Resort. I bypassed all of the Seattle traffic and etc. I don't think you want to see all that. But anyway, we're here. We're at the RV Resort. Very nice place. It was recently taken over by the Sun River Corporation. And they put in new 50 to 30 amp circuits, pickleball courts, brand new swimming pools, and some good stuff. This was us, our site, C4. And getting ready to meet our group. One day we decided we got there early, 3 days before we had to meet our group, part of this tour that we're on to go to Alaska. And this is Birch Bay Drive, with the houses along the side, the water right there to your left, and this beautiful little place. It was always cloudy and cool, in the 60-degree weather these days. You can see it was the 3rd. And look what's on that branch up there, the bald eagle. Not the best picture there. Had a bit a little blown up a little bit. some beechwood that we were looking around. I made some interesting pictures. It's actually a camping site. They call this wood. How long has it been up there on the water, up on the beaches? Just driving along the shoreline in the bay. The water was pretty calm this day. There's a bike trail. Lots of walking on the beach if you choose to. This is still Birch Bay Road. This road takes you to one of the marinas. This is the Birch Bay Marina area. And just on the other side, there's Canada over there. Well, guess what? It's that time to wrap this thing up pretty soon. You could take a bike ride all the way around that harbor to the one end to the other side. You can't see it, but Mount Baker's out there somewhere. Again, look, we're official. We start our tour. Fantasy RV Tours, Rallies, and Caravans. Thank you for watching the video. Comment, subscribe, like it. More of the Alaska videos to come. Soundrina.